Morning children, open your new Sparkle semester series standard second semester second book revision second, the lion and the mouse, lesson number 9, page number 12. Yesterday we have completed the revision of the poem Seeds to Flower. The poem we have completed. Now revision second, we will take the lion and the mouse. Lolo was a strong and ferocious lion. He was sleeping in the sun outside his den. So Lolo was a strong lion, and seeing him we get scared, no? Ferocious means what? वेरी खूनखरा, उसको देखते ही डर लगता है. अभी कैट डॉग को हम पास लेकर बैठ सकते, इसको नहीं ना, बहुत खूनखरा ऐसा देखते ही डर लगता है हम लोगों को. इट इज़ ferocious lion and it was sleeping in the sun outside his den. Den ani the place where lion stay. The place where lion stay is called den. Monto was a little naughty mouse. Monto was a very little naughty mouse. He was playing nearby. He ran here and there. He ran between the lion's paws. उसके पैर के पास से घूमना, उसके बॉडी के ऊपर चढ़ना, ये सब कर रहा था ये. ओके. द लायन वॉक अप एंड कॉट द माउस इन हिज पाउस फ्रॉम हिज पंजा. दिस इज पाउस ही हैज कॉट with the paws. The lion he caught in his hand, and what the lion said, when he was playing on his body, no, he got angry and he got up. And what did he say? The lion woke up and caught the mouse in his paws. The little mouse got scared and said, "Please let me go. I will help you someday. Please don't do me anything. Save my life. The lion began to laugh. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Loudly he started. He said, "I am so big and strong. You are so little and weak. How can you help me? तू इतना सा चूहा है. What you will help me?" The mouse said, "Sir, the time will tell you. One day the time will tell you." Lolo was a kind-hearted lion. He said, anyway, I will let you go. Okay, I will leave you. After a few days, what happened? The lion was caught in a net. He was caught in a net by Hemu, the hunter. The hunter's name was Hemu. The lion roared and tried to escape, but the net was too strong. He couldn't remove the net. It was very strong. Monto, the little mouse, heard the lion's roar. Monto heard the voice of the lion roaring, shouting. He ran to help the lion. Monto called his friends. All the mice nibbled the ropes of the net. उसका स्ट्रॉन्ग बहुत होता है दांत. वो माउस ने क्या किया? सब दांतों से काट दिया. Everything was removed. Net. The rope began to snap soon. The lion was free now. The lion said, "Thank you, little friends, for saving my life." Monto said, "It was my duty to help my friend in trouble." "You was in trouble and it's my duty." The mouse said, "It's my duty to help you because one day I told you, one day I will help you. The time will tell. One day I will help you." What the lion said? The lion said, "You are so small and weak. What will you help me?" No, you will not help me. He said, "No, sir, I will definitely help you." Who said? The mouse said to the lion, "The time will tell what to be." Once when he was caught, he nibbled the rope. He called all his friends and the lion was free. And the lion was free. Montu said, "It was my duty to help my friend. You were in trouble." Exercise now, page number 13. Page number 13. Circle the correct word. Circle the correct word. The lion caught the mouse in his mouth. Paws. Monto and his friend nibbled the ropes of the net. Nibbled. The net was too weak, strong. Answer each questions in one sentence each. Describe Lolo the lion. Describe Lolo the lion. Okay. See here. Lolo was a strong and ferocious lion. Ferocious lion. Lolo, describe Lolo the lion. Lolo was a strong and ferocious lion. Describe Montu. Montu. Montu was a little naughty mouse. Montu was a little naughty mouse. Montu. Why was Montu scared? Montu was scared because he was caught by the lion. Montu was scared because he was caught by the lion. How do we say that Lolo was kind-hearted? Lolo pardoned Montu and allowed him to go. Lolo pardoned Montu and allowed him to go. Answer the following questions briefly. How did Montu free Lolo? When Montu saw the Lolo caught in the hunter's net, he called his friends. All the mice nibbled the ropes of the net. The ropes began to snap. Slowly, Lolo came out of the net. When Montu saw the Lolo caught in the hunter's net, he called his friends. All the mice nibbled the ropes of the net. The ropes began to snap. Slowly, Lolo came out of the net. B1. What do we learn from this story? What do we learn from this story? We must be humble with everyone. We must be humble with everyone and use our strength to help other people. We must be humble with everyone and use our strength to help other people. Yes. I am A, B is over. I am so big and strong and you are so little and weak. Who is I in this sentence? Who is you? Who is I in this sentence and who is you? Yes. Who is you? So, see here. I is Lolo. I is Lolo, the lion here, and you is Montu, the mouse. I is Lolo, the lion here, and you is Montu, the mouse. Have you understood? Yes. Activity language development. Observe the order of the picture. Read the jumbled sentences given below. Arrange the sentences, numbering them in order. 1. A good deed. 2, 3. Here they have given us, yes, they are given jumbled. Children took the puppy to the doctor. A puppy was lying on the road. Its paw was injured. Sania and Sunil saw the puppy. They slowly picked him up. Children took the puppy home. Their mother helped them in nursing the puppy. They put the puppy in a small basket and gave him biscuit and milk. Children named the puppy Casper. They became friends. They played in the garden. Doctor uncle cleaned the wounds, put a bandage on the wound, and gave an injection to the puppy. The children thanked the doctor. So, first one is a puppy was lying on the road. Its paw was injured. Then second one, Sania and Sunil saw the puppy. They slowly picked him up. Third one, children took the puppy to the doctor. Then fourth one is, doctor uncle cleaned the wound, put a bandage on the wound, and gave an injection to the puppy. The children thanked the doctor. Fifth one, children took the puppy home. Their mother helped them in nursing the puppy. They put the puppy in a small basket and gave him biscuit and milk. Sixth one, children named the puppy Casper. They became friends. They played in the garden. Now, write the story in the proper order and read it. A puppy was lying on the road. Its paw was injured. Sania and Sunil saw the puppy. They slowly picked him up. Children took the puppy to the doctor. Doctor uncle cleaned the wound, put a bandage on the wound, and gave an injection to the puppy. The children thanked the doctor. Children took the puppy home. Their mother helped them in nursing the puppy. They put the puppy in a small basket and gave him biscuit and milk. Speaking skill. Narrate to the class any good deed you have done. Have you understood? Grammar, page number 15. Activity grammar, conjunction and but. And but. Read and remember. The word and but are called connecting words or conjunctions. The words and but join words or sentences. Example, a lion and a tiger. I play cricket and table tennis. The soup is tasty, but it is very spicy. A lion and a tiger. And is a conjunction. I play cricket and table tennis. And the soup is tasty, but it is very spicy. But, see here, but. The soup is tasty, but it is very spicy. Join words or sentences. Now, fill in the blanks with the correct connecting word and but. See here, Amol's dog. Amol has a dog and its name is Bonnie. Bonnie is young, but it is very active. Bonnie is loving. But it scares and bites strangers. Bonnie likes to scare cats and rats. Amol has many pets, but Bonnie is his favorite. Fill in the blanks with the correct connection word and but. Insects. Bees and butterflies are insects. Butterflies are pretty and they are colorful. Bees are beautiful, but they sting badly. Bees are beautiful, but they sting badly. Mosquitoes and flies are also insects. They are small but dangerous. Challenge. Write 2 sentences using and 2 sentences using but. but. Okay, see here. Tina and Nita went to the market. Tina and Nita went to the market. They bought red and yellow dress. They bought red and yellow dress. The lion tried to escape, but the net was very strong. The lion was strong but kind-hearted. The lion was strong but kind-hearted. Tina and Nita went to the market. They bought red and yellow dress. The lion tried to escape, but the net was very strong. The lion was strong but kind-hearted. Kind-hearted. Have you understood, children? Okay. Now, today revision second, the lion and the mouse. From read the lesson page number 12. From writing is from page number 13 to 15. Whatever I have given question answers, fill in the blanks, grammar portion, whatever it is. Page number 13 to 15 you write for 2 times and learn by heart with the spelling. Have you understood, children? Okay, get prepared for the exam. We will meet in the next video.